Today's video is mostly about getting supplies and dealing with the cold. It's -7 and maybe it's even going to be -14 next week. So yeah, we're preparing for that. I'm making templates out of some leftover drywall for the gap closing strip, whatever you want to call it, that I'm installing. I bought a LED bar for the Volvo. We've got a trip up north coming up. It's going to be through the woods and well, it's dark really early. So we need a little bit more light. I hope this comes with all the wires and everything. See if I can do it today. My fingertips are already hurting. And yeah, I'm not sure how successful this is going to be today. Oh, since it's -7 and I can't do anything without my gloves, I don't think that LED bar is going to be a chore for now. I've got a lot of different chores, all requiring me to remove my gloves. So I'm going to do some other stuff because it's just too cold. I still need to move a lot of wood from the woodshed to the house. There we go. Defrosting the Volvo. I had to climb in through the hatch because the doors were frozen shut. That's not really a big problem, but yeah, I want to install the LED bar and I found out I don't have all the wiring. So what I am going to do today is unpack this thing. It's the diesel heater. The workshop is not fully enclosed yet, but yeah, I want to know if this thing works. The Volvo is in. I'm gonna see if I can get the diesel heater to work and then hope to install the LED bar on the car. And this should be the unit itself. It's already in a box, but it's actually the same as the ones that you build into camper vans and that kind of stuff. Oh, you didn't see that. I tried to open it here, and what happened was this thing fell right off. So yeah, not too sure what to think about that. Oh yeah, that's bit flimsy. Anyway, I'm gonna go inside, warm up a bit, and then fill this thing up with diesel and check it out. Oh, we're getting warm air. This took way too long, but I've got it. And now I hope I can mount this. Guess this is the spot. At first I thought I had to remove the whole headlight, and in some YouTube clips it's like, oh, you pull out these two things and it just slides out. That's with a newer model. With this model you have to remove the whole plastic front end. Yeah. I just have to get the right stuff to connect it. The status right now. I've got the light bar on. I've got the wires that I was missing. If this switches to positive, then the lights go on. We are a couple of hours in and I still don't have the headlight removed. The only thing I have to do is connect this little blue wire to whatever it is that is the high beam, and yeah, you have to remove the whole front clip. I think there's one hidden bolt for the headlights here. Yep, it is. But can I remove this? Oh, there's another. Yeah, I can remove this. Okay. This looks all different than what I saw in the video. I have got the right connector, I guess. High beam off, high beam on. That was way too much work, but I guess I fixed it. I think this will work when we're driving to the woods Saturday in the dark. Yeah. There are tracks. Those are not mine. Wow. Now is the question, did we pick something up? Because I didn't check that. The camera is frozen again. So no animals on camera. I hope you enjoyed this video anyway. If you did, leave a like, subscribe to my channel, share the video, and I hope to see you in the next one.